Hey everybody, it's Michael from Travels with Michael. Guess what? I have the new Bespoke post box this month, so we're gonna do an unboxing. So this is for September 2023, and the shipment I got this time from Bespoke Post is called WALE, W-A-L-E. I'm looking it up right now. It says it's a crazy soft corduroy and a timeless workwear silhouette. Doesn't that sound exciting? I have my glasses on in case I gotta read stuff. But here it is. It came in a bag. It's folded up in the bell box like this. I'm excited. I love looking up new stuff to wear on set, especially because winter is coming, and I think this is going to be nice. So this, I don't think this is going to be a quick video. We're just going to open it here real quick and see what we got. I have to be honest, I'm using the toothbrush from last week. Oh, for those of you that watch my videos, last month I did that toothbrush, and I love it. I should do a follow-up video on it. I love it. So they say that you should brush your teeth 2 minutes twice a day. And this toothbrush is great because it goes for 2 minutes and then it stops. And then it'll connect to your phone via Bluetooth and track everything. So that's actually really, really cool. I didn't know that. Just a fascinating thing. So let's do this one real quick. Yeah, this one's... Okay, cool. Oh, I love it already. A nice bag. Nice and heavy. Ooh, line-up tray. I just want to see this. I'm so excited. Thanks for watching my videos, by the way. I know it's always interesting the things that I get. But I just got the new Apple Watch Ultra 2, by the way, and that's supposed to be coming in this weekend. And I will be doing an unboxing video for my regular channel. And I'll put that link down in this description so you can check it out. So here it is. It's light gray. Oh, this is really pretty, actually. I don't get a lot of clothes, but, oh, wow. This is actually really, oh, this is nice. I don't have any corduroy. So, this will be nice when I travel, just because it's, I do a lot of, I like to go to the national parks, so this is actually really sturdy. You take these off. This is nice. I love the charcoal. I got gray, which I don't wear a lot of gray. I don't have a lot of gray, so that's why I got it. But isn't that beautiful? It's really nice. Nice thick corduroy. See here. Line of Trade, I guess that's the name of the company. So yeah, this is the new one, WALE, W-A-L-E, from Bespoke Post. Can't wait because I got a trip coming up for Thanksgiving. Now that my mother has passed and my dad has moved away for Thanksgiving, I am going to take myself to El Salvador so I can have a chance to sort of unwind and regroup and reset my life during the holidays. So I don't like to be alone during the holidays. So at least if I'm traveling, I'll be busy. I'll be keeping busy. So I'm excited about that. So this is my month for September 23, the Bespoke Post. Again, it's WALE. It's a nice sort of, I guess, charcoal gray. I think that's what it's called, charcoal gray corduroy shirt. So I'm really excited about wearing this. Maybe I'll wear this on set tomorrow. Anyways, this is Michael Cologne with Travels with Michael, and I will see you on your next adventure.